Come on. I don't know how to walk in gumboots, Mom. What are you doing, Mom? What have you put these on my feet for? It's raining outside, so we've got gumboots on. Yeah, it's raining. Come, show me how you get up and walk, boy. Come and walk. Oh, there we go. Oh, not quite. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, come on, let's walk. There's my boy. I said, don't laugh at me. Who's that? Say hello. Yeah. Say hello.